Hello, I am Matteo, the mathematical magician, and I am a mathemagician. What that means is I combine my love of math and magic into Mathemagics. So I'm going to be doing a magic trick, and then I'm going to be doing some mental math stuff. It's still going to kind of feel like magic. So I'll start with the magic trick. So if anyone wants to come up and join me on stage, that would be appreciated. If not, you can just put your hand in front of the camera or whatever.
Okay.
Alright, cool. Woo! So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hand you a deck of cards. Okay, here's a deck of cards. Alright. Look at the cards and put a card face down. Alright, put it back on the deck. Alright. Give it back to me. Okay, cool. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to make the deck appear. Hold it between your hands to make sure that the camera can see it. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Put your other hand on top. So what card did you pick? What cards did you flip face down?
The 4 of spades.
4 of spades. Okay, interesting choice that you picked that. Because the thing is, every card in this deck is face up, except for one. 4 of spades.
Oh, that's crazy.
So that's the magic. Now I'm going to be doing the math. So if someone in the audience could get out a calculator, or maybe even multiple of you, I don't care. Okay, you got it. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around to you, and when I point at you, tell me a 2-digit number, and what I want you to do with the calculator is add the numbers along as I go, okay? And then after I get in, I think, let's do like 6 numbers, I'll tell you the sum. So give me a 2-digit number.
Word. Okay. 20.
20 plus.
42.
Plus.
46.
Plus.
16.
16 you said?
Yeah.
Plus.
16.
Yeah.
57.
Okay. Plus.
93.
274.
Yes.
All right.
Wow.
Cool. Now, that was some easy stuff. I'm going to go to a little more advanced stuff. So, I'm sure you all know what a square number is. It's a number, and you take it and multiply it by itself. So 5 squared would be...
25.
Correct. 73 squared would be... Okay, something else. So, what I want you to do is, all 4 of you, you can go when you're ready, get on your all 4 of you get your calculator out, and I'm going to point at you and give you, and you tell me a 2-digit number, and I'm going to square it. You square, Mark, you square the first, Jenny, you square the second, Aaron, you're the third, and I forget your name, you do the fourth. There should be a shortcut for squaring the numbers. You can hit times equals, might work on some calculators, or just multiply it by itself.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm going to write them on the board as I go, so Mark, give me a 2-digit number.
73.
73 squared is 5,329, is that correct?
Yes.
Jenna, give me a 2-digit number.
52.
52 squared, 2,704, is that correct?
Yes.
Aaron, give me a 2-digit number.
81.
81 squared, 6,561, is that correct?
Yeah.
And what was your name again?
Jason.
Jason, give me a 2-digit number.
46.
46 squared, this is giving me a bit of grief, 2,116. All right, cool.
Wow.
So that was fun. So let's take the biggest of these numbers, 6,561, and I want all of you to enter 6,561 on your calculator. And what I would like each of you to do is multiply it by any 3-digit number you wish. Don't tell me what the 3-digit number is, but multiply it by any 3-digit number. All right? And you should have in your answer, I think, a 6 or a 7-digit number. Is that correct? How many digits do you have?
7.
7. 6.
7.
Okay, so what I want you to do, so, all right, Is there any possible way I could know what numbers you have? Say no.
No.
Okay, well then I shall attempt the impossible, or at least the improbable. What I would like each of you to do is tell me any 6 of your 7 digits, or in your case, any 5 of your 6, in any order, and I will attempt to determine the digit you left out. The odds of me getting this right are 1 in 10,000. You, give me the 6 digits in any order.
1, 1, 2, 3, 0, 9.
Did you leave out the digit 2?
Yes.
All right, that's 1. All right,
I have to leave one digit out?
leave 1 digit out.
Okay. 5, 9, 1, 4, 5, 5.
Did you leave out the digit 7?
I did.
That's 2. Give me any 5 of your 6 digits. Really mix them up this time.
Okay. 3, 7, 0, 0, 8.
You're giving me a bit of grief. I'll come back to you later. You give me any 6 digits.
1, 0, 1, 8, 2, 3.
Did you leave out the digit 3?
I did. Yeah.
Okay, you. Now I'm struggling with
Okay.
yours. Okay, here's what I do. Really concentrate on that number. It doesn't do anything, it just looks fun. But you're giving me a lot of nothing. Did you leave out a 0?
Yeah! Oh my god!
Alright, that's 4.
Wow.
So I can also solve problems in reverse. So instead of taking squares or cubes, I will take the cube root. So Mark, I want you to enter a 2-digit number into the calculator. Make sure I can't see it, but you can show the rest of the people. Enter a 2-digit number and raise it to the 3rd power. You should have a relatively large number. And tell me the resulting value, and I will tell you the cube root, which is the original number that you picked.
13,824.
24.
Yes.
Now, 2-digit numbers are pretty easy, so let's step it up and do 3-digit cubes. So all 3 of you pick a 3-digit number, don't tell me, and raise it to the 3rd power. And then I'll have you tell me the resulting value, and I'll tell you the 3-digit number you picked. So,
Oh god.
Yeah.
738. Oh god. 738. 7.
wait, no, tell me the place value. I need to know
no.
the place value, otherwise I'm gonna get really mixed up.
Is that million? 738,763,264?
904.
Yes.
Okay, your turn.
91,733,851.
451. And your turn, Jason?
3,581,577.
100. Wait, say it one more time.
3,581,000.
153.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. Now, this concludes the first section of my show, and I will go on to my second show. I'm going to do calendar calculating. So if any of you could get out your phone and go to your calendar, you probably already have your phones out for the calculator, but go to the calendar and enter any date. It could be your birthday or just sometime around your birthday, sometime around that time if you're not comfortable sharing your actual birthday. And you got one?
Yeah.
Okay, what year was it?
2009.
2009. Okay, and what month was it?
May.
May. And what day?
8.
May 8th. Was that a Friday?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do one more of these. Anyone else got one?
You already know.
It doesn't have to be your birthday, just any date around that time.
Oh.
Alright, I have one. It's 2002.
2002, what month?
July
July, okay. July what?
3rd.
Was that a Wednesday?
Yeah.
All right. Now I will do something a little different that I haven't actually done in any of my shows before. This is some new stuff. You haven't seen this. So any one of you, I would like you to come up and I'll make a magic square for you. This will be very special for you. Who wants me to make the magic square for them?
I can go up, I guess.
All right, Aaron, let's go.
Okay.
So this is going to be your magic square.
Okay.
Alright. If you're, so what I'm going to do, you know what a magic square is?
No.
Okay. So I'll show you when I make it, and you'll see. It's a 4x4 square. If you're comfortable telling everyone your birthday, you can do that. If you're not, just pick a day sometime around then as
Okay.
well.
My birthday's really easy, so I'll
Okay.
pick a different one.
Alright.
Okay. Okay.
You can do it. This isn't a trick. This isn't like
Okay.
anything.
Okay, I got
let's
it.
do something different. I don't
Okay.
think that one works well. Let's do something.
Okay.
Yeah, pick a different date around.
So what day? So I tell you the
Yeah,
full
tell me a
day.
date.
June 7th,
Okay, so June, 6th month,
Yeah.
7th of what year?
2003.
2003. Okay, let's add up the things in the row. Hopefully the camera can see this. 6, 13, 33, 36.
Okay.
Your magic number is 36.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna do a little bit of stuff here. This is gonna take me a little bit of time. Okay, that's a 5, 8. That's meant to be an 8 there. Hopefully that's readable. Okay, I think this should work. Hopefully it works. So I got this. Let's try this. So what my hope is that all the rows and all the columns all add up to your number 36.
Okay.
It's 6, 13, 31, 36, where did I know that was? 19, 23, 28, 36, 4, 25, 31, 36, 7, 11, 16, 36. All the rows work. Let's try the columns. 6, 25, 29, 36, 7, 11, 32, 36, 20, 25, 31, 36, 3, 11, 16, 36.
Wow.
My goodness.
But that's not all. I also made the diagonals add up, 6, 10, 16, 36, 7, 28, 33, 36. And I also did the four the four centers, 4, 10, 15, 36. I also did the four, what are these? I don't know.
Corners?
Corners, yes, thank you. 6, 9, 16, 36. I also did each four quadrants.
Wow.
6, 13, 17, 36, 20, 25, 33, 36, 5, 10, 30,
What
36,
the
4,
hell?
8, 15, 36. I also got, I think these two quadrants should work, 7, 20, 7, 32, 36, and 21, 27, 33, 36.
Wow.
I couldn't get these two quadrants to work, but I did get the pan diagonals, so 7, 19, or 26, 31, 36. So these four, and these four here, 20, 28, 32, 36.
Wow.
And you can keep the zeros here.
Yay!
That's cool.
Now, this is the point in the show in which you guys get to ask me any questions you have about how I do this stuff.
That last one.
Okay, you want to know how I do the magic square?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you. So I'll tell you what I do for this one. I'll just make it in here. Alright. So tell me a day, and then I'll make a magic square out of that, and I'll show you my process and how I go along making it.
Like my birthday.
Any day around that time. If you're not comfortable sharing your birthday, that's fine.
September 22nd, 2001.
September 22nd, you said?
Yes.
2001. Okay, so first you just add them up. 9, 23, 51, 52. So that's your number. And then what I do is I put this number down in this quadrant, this number in this quadrant, and add 1 and put it here. Now this doesn't seem like much, but from here you can actually complete the entire square by filling in gaps and figuring out by doing arithmetic. So like here you've got 3 of the diagonals, so you can fill in by adding these up and see what's, take your, and then minus subtract from 52 from this sum to find the missing number. So 43, 44 is the sum. You want 52. 52 minus 44 is 8, so this must be an 8. And then you can fill in the rest of the square from this. I got this number here, then you can get this number here. You can get this number, you can get this number, and you can eventually fill up the whole square from that. So, yeah. That's how it works.
Dang.
Wow.
Anyone else have any questions? No?
I was fascinated by the card thing, but if that one's the magic one, I get it. You can't.
Yeah.
I might not be able to tell you the code trick.
Yeah, I still don't know, and that was like, what, my second time seeing it?
You want me to go on to my grand finale now?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the finale. I have two two big problems that I'm going to do for the finale. These are going to take a little bit more time, so I am going to do these thinking out loud to make it more interesting for you. Now, you probably won't be able to follow along because I will be skipping a lot of steps as I do them. I've gotten to the point where I can do a lot of these problems while skipping many steps. So, yeah, don't expect to be able to figure out how to do it from that. But so we have the first one. I'll move this phone. Hopefully you can see this when we get on my computer here. And I'm gonna get off anything. Let's see. There we go. This should work. Okay. So I have a code here to generate. It will tell you what day of the week any day was for any time. It can tell you the day of the week for anything a million years in the future. So one of you, I want you to go up here and enter a day into the calendar. So give me a month that you want to enter. And don't hit enter, so give me a month that you want me to enter, any one of you. I'll have three of you pick this. So you pick, no, tell me October. That's the 10th month. 10. Where's the enter? Okay, now enter the day. October what?
7.
October 7th. Okay, now finally the year. Now I'm not going to hit enter yet because that will tell you the answer. Now, you could do something more recent, but I think to make it more fun, I want you to do something millions of years into the future, as far forward as you can think. So just give out some really big number, and I'll enter it. Jenna, you want to do this?
Yeah. 40,000.
I think you can do a bit better than that.
Really?
No, you can go millions.
Okay, 670 million.
Okay, 670 million.
924,000.
924,000.
112.
Okay, so the year 670,924,112. I'm not going to hit enter yet, but I am going to work out this problem. Okay, October 7th, that massive year. Where do I start? Let's start with October, that's 6. Okay, 4112. 7 goes, okay, 4112. That's one more, okay, that's 5. That's 12, is that 15, 20, 26. Okay, I think that should be a Friday. Let's see. Let's go.
Wow.
That was a Friday. All right. And for my final one, I'm going to get up the big number calculator. Aaron, you want to do this one because I know you like this one.
Love it.
So we're going to take a number and raise it to any two-digit number in X. That would give me a choose number. Don't show me this number. And Y, pick any odd two-digit number. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Hit X to the power Y. So you're taking a two-digit number to a two-digit power. You should get a really big number as the product. I don't know how many digits this has. It's really big. Mm-hmm. Copy that number and put it into the Word document.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
So I have this really big number here. Oh Jesus. What was your value of Y?
Let me see.
Oh, you want to go back and look? Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
What was your value of Y?
71.
So I'm taking the 71st root of this big number. This is going to be a challenge. It'll take some time. Let's see how many digits this thing actually has. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99, 102, 105, 108, 111, 114, 117, 120, 123, 126, 129. So this is a 129 digit number. and I'm going to be taking the 71st root of that. Let's see how I do this. Okay. It was 129 digits, I said. Okay, 129 divided by 71. Okay, let's do that. So 110, that's 500. And 129 minus 71. 58. Okay, 58. 580 divided by 71. 580 divided by 71 is, okay, that's about 6. 1 6, yes. Okay, 1 6. 1 6. All right. Is that right? Do I like this? No, that's not right. 129 divided by 71. Okay, I can do this. That's 56 divided by 71. Oh, it's not 6. Oh, I see what I went wrong. Okay, it's 8. All right, that's 8. 1.8. Okay, so 71 times 1. No. 10 to the power 1.8. That is, what is that? I'm thinking, is it 75? Is that your x?
Might have been. I forgot.
Let's see. No, it wasn't? Okay. Don't tell me if it was wrong. It was not 75?
No.
No? Okay. Did it end in a 5?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, go back to the number. And go back to the Word document. I don't mess this up very often. Okay. Why did I get this wrong? 58 minus 71? 71? Oh! I see why I messed up. It's 65.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it now. All right. That was embarrassing. Let me do this again.
Sorry, I forgot I gave you the wrong one.
Give me a little slow. That's all right. Let's do this one more time. I can do this. I'm going to redeem myself.
Okay.
Give me a different X and a different Y.
Okay.
I should be able to get this.
The first one's any odd or even,
The
right?
first one can be any number. X can be any number. Y has to be an odd number.
Okay. Oh, wait.
I have not practiced this type of problem in a while.
Okay.
So what was Y?
41.
41. So the 41st root of this. Okay, this is much more manageable. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 53. 53 digits. Okay. All right. 53 divided by 41. Okay, this is 19.
What the?
Yeah.
Is it 19? Yeah, there we go.
That was
All right.
impressive.
That was
Well,
half a sentence.
That concludes my show. Hopefully you all enjoyed. It was fun doing math with you guys. And thanks for coming.
Yay!